Welcome back. A number of local sporting associations are not receiving their monthly subventions due to outstanding audited financial statements as the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, pushed to tighten their governance practices. Among the major sporting associations are Netball and Aquatics. More in this report.
When TVJ Sports caught up with the Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange after Saturday's third and final game of the Margaret Beckford Netball series between Jamaica and South Africa, the minister was asked about the help the Sunshine Girls received through the ministry on a consistent basis, and she had this to say.
Well, we have always supported the girls through funding. They get a monthly subvention for all their special activities or competitions. We always provide funding. Even the facilities here for use for training and for the international competitions, we cover the cost. And they can always depend on us.
However, subsequent checks with the General Manager of the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, Alan Beckford, on Wednesday revealed Netball Jamaica is not getting their monthly subventions as they have not submitted the required documentation. That is, audited financial statements, especially for 2023.
So Netball Jamaica, we have been in contact with them. We have spoken on a number of times, and I know they're working hard on it, and we are assisting them where we can to try to ensure that as soon as possible, they will be back in good standing. From what I hear, I hopefully will get the financials very, very shortly.
It is to be noted that Netball Jamaica's voting AGM has been postponed until at least next month end because of the outstanding audited financial statements. Meanwhile, the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, is among the other sporting associations whose audited financial statements were outstanding up to late last year. President of the ASAJ, Lance Rochester, on Wednesday confirmed they're trying to sort out the outstanding audited financial statements.
The ASAJ supports the move that the SDF is making to ensure full compliance across sporting disciplines, and we are working expeditiously along with our auditors to ensure that we have the full sign-off of our 2023 financials, and therefore will become in full compliance with the SDF.
A letter dated October 1, 2024 to the National Tackle Football Association under the subject non-compliance of audited reports obtained by TVJ Sports noted that the SDF will be unable to make any further grants, whether subvention or individual request, until compliance is achieved. The letter indicated that the audited financial statement is essential for funding eligibility. TVJ Sports sources indicate that cycling and hockey were among the other associations that also received similar letters late last year, noting they won't receive their subventions or any other grants until their audited financial statements are submitted. While not providing details on all the delinquent associations, Beckford says the step was taken to ensure good governance practices.
The government of Jamaica needs to ensure that all funds are properly accounted for. Over a year ago, the SDF sent to associations, national federations who receive funding from us to say that by June 2024 you'll be required to provide us with your audited financials, which would have been the 23 audited financials.
However, a hard line isn't drawn as yet.
We fully understand the financial implications, and so what we have done is that we have said that we will assist where we can with you completing the required documents to ensure that you're in good standing.
A quick perusal of the SDF's annual report for 2023 indicated that it paid over grants worth just over $248 million to 45 sports associations. That's $7 million less than 2022. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.